There's a new type of building show in town, and it is one with a huge difference. All the talent are professionals, and all the builds are premium.
The propping and maintaining the detail was really good.
It's always the hidden things, isn't it?
It is, yes, yeah.
Welcome to the real world of building and renovating. MasterBuild Australia. Featuring master builders from across the country.
There's so much handcrafted parts here.
No detail is too small.
There's 1,000 little pieces in that kitchen that had to be put together on site.
No idea too big.
It's the highest ceilings property that I've ever built.
And the impossible is made possible.
We are now sitting on a cantilevered footing system that the house perches across.
Every one of the exceptional houses we showcase is a potential award winner.
Congratulations, Andrew.
And that means exceptional quality.
It was the tile that started everything.
Exceptional construction.
This was a new material to us, and we actually find that we like it. We like it a lot better. It's got more rigidity to it.
Exceptional innovation. Who wouldn't want to be associated with that?
It's some of the best chemistry I've seen this year. It's absolutely amazing.
As a show partner, we can offer you an array of product placement opportunities.
So they can control it, not just from here, but from their phones as well.
I definitely think the connection of the front balcony into the living and kitchen area is one of my highlights.
And you're not just constrained to broadcast television. You can choose to be seen on a variety of platforms to reach the viewers that matter to you.
Throughout all the years of being a carpenter and installing hundreds of different makes of windows, we just found that Taberners have the highest quality, the best range, or the best of the best.
Like the houses we feature. What a brilliant idea, though. Every package is bespoke to suit your needs and your investment.
It's not often you get to do and be a part of something like that.
And you'll be associated with the most aspirational builds of the year.
Okay, this really puts the master in master bedroom. My goodness.
I mean, who can say no to that? My last question is, when can I move in?
Yeah, Helen, you're not the first one to ask.